Hi, I'm Eric McHenry. I own Viking Automotive. We're located here in Midvale on 6900 South State Street. So I started Viking in 2007 out of the bed of my pickup truck. I worked at the dealer and a couple independent shops, and I decided that I could do a better job, a more honest job. That's really why I started. We perform services on all makes and models of vehicles. We have this vision at Viking where we're the community leader in the automotive repair industry. We continue to strive to improve ourselves, our service, and our community. We're always trying to improve and help our customers and help our community, and always trying to improve our service. So we have a lot of experience in our team. Each mechanic has 10 to 30 years worth of experience. We're ASE certified. We're part of many groups and communities that allow us to be the true expert and be able to let us pinpoint diagnostic cars. We don't just guess. We can tell you specifically which part is wrong and why it's wrong, and then we stand behind our work when we do that.
My name's Patrick. I'm with Viking Automotive. I'm the general manager. Customer relationships are incredibly important to us. They're what has allowed us to move forward. We work really hard to develop those. We have a lot of customers who have turned into really close friends.
I'm Clayton Stephenson. I am a service writer here at Viking Automotive. I really enjoy getting to know the customers, talking to them. Just yesterday I saw a customer out while I was having lunch, asked him about his car. He was telling me that everything was running great. I really enjoy being able to give people that peace of mind.
If a customer is either buying or selling, we suggest a BlueStar inspection with them. We don't have any ties to the financial transaction of that deal. We have no reason to. So with the BlueStar and the complete inspection, we can give the car a full once-over, and they can understand the report card of their car. If you have any questions or any concerns, would like some service, we'd love to help you and love to earn your trust. Call us at 801-838-8898 or visit us online at vikingutah.com.